I just bought the world's most accurate air rifle. It's an FX Impact M3 sniper model. Isn't it beautiful? Now this thing came pretty decked out from the factory, but I did add a few accessories to personalize it for me. I'm using a Diamondback Tactical 6x24x50 scope along with a bubble level and a quick throw lever. I did add these sling mounts so that I can carry it at the ready in case I want to do some spot and stalking. As always, I put a Tacticam film through scope so you guys can follow along with all the action. This air rifle really liked the JSB Exact 18.13 grain pellets. Now I can tell you while I was sighting this thing in, it shot exceptionally well. Will it be the ultimate pigeon getter? I don't know. Let's take it out and see. Watch this pellet fly. It was hard to decide which one of these to shoot, but the female gave me a clearer shot. It's 62 yards. I know what the holdover is on the new gun. I can't wait to try it out. I'll tell you what, that's another beautiful bird. The 22 caliber Impact that I just got is a tack driver, and it is so quiet. I'm really impressed, really impressed. 62 yards, first run out with the gun. I think this is like the fourth bird I've got, and I haven't missed a shot yet with this thing. It's a laser. These two wouldn't stop long enough for a shot. Smoked him too. I didn't know it, but I was about to get two birds with one shot. There's the first one. Beautiful bird. And there's the second. Got it. Nailed it. The shot looked good, but I had to shoot him a second time. So I'm racking up quite the numbers on this pigeon hunt. Given a choice, I always shoot the bigger bird. So I'm sporting my new sweatshirt. I snagged a big old spoonbill that had a band in the lip, and when I called in, they gave me a choice of getting a hoodie or a t-shirt. They said, give me the hoodie. That's what I'm wearing while I'm pigeon hunting today. All right, got another one right here. Oh, nice, straight down. Okay, here we go for another one. Oh, nice, straight down. A few seconds later, the other bird came back to the same spot. As far as I'm concerned, this is the ultimate pigeon getter. Send me a comment and let me know what you think. All right, you guys, if you like this video, now's a good time to hit those like and subscribe buttons, hit the bell button, and every time I make one of these videos, you'll get notified. I'm going to put some more videos in somewhere in this screen right here for you to click on and watch more pigeon hunting. But I had a blast, and I hope you liked it too. We'll see you on the next adventure.